Axie limitlessness cost especially equivalent to $7.5210 a coin, which for the most part is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 7.4710 7.6266 in a huge way. The earlier day close, 7.6256, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change most certainly was 0.1046, 1.37% in a sort of huge way. Backwards rate, USD to Axie in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $7.65, greatest 8.19, kind of least 7.11 in a significant way. Axie endlessness conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost $7.36, especially greatest 7.88, in every practical sense, least 6.84, or so they thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $7.25, by and large most extreme 7.76, in every practical sense, least 6.74, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $7.28, kind of greatest 7.79, extremely least 6.77 in a fundamentally large way. In multi-week Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.31, in every way that really matters, greatest 7.82, certainly least 6.80, showing how Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $7.65, sort of most extreme 8.19, genuinely least 7.11, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.44, kind of most extreme 7.96, sort of least 6.92, or so they certainly thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $7.25, essentially greatest 7.76, sort of least 6.74, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $7.39, essentially greatest 7.91, least 6.87, which really is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $7.34, lovely most extreme 7.85, certainly least 6.83, or so they basically thought. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $7.20, kind of greatest 7.70, for the most part least 6.70, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.35, lovely greatest 7.86, essentially least 6.84 in an extremely enormous way. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost $7.09, lovely most extreme 7.59, exceptionally least 6.59, or so they truly thought. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $6.90, most certainly greatest 7.38, by and large least 6.42, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie vastness conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $6.20, genuinely most extreme 6.63, essentially least 5.77, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $6.21, really most extreme 6.64, least 5.78, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $6.29, especially greatest 6.73, sort of least 5.85 in a truly significant manner. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $6.44, for the most part greatest 6.89, certainly least 5.99 in a genuinely huge way. Axie boundlessness estimate on Monday, May 29, cost $6.43, truly most extreme 6.88, genuinely least 5.98. So in multi-week Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.31, exceptionally greatest 7.82, extremely least 6.80, showing how Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $7.65, especially most extreme 8.19, by and large least 7.11 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie Endlessness Cost Forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $6.62, especially most extreme 7.08, lovely least 6.16, or so they certainly thought. In about a month, Axie Endlessness Gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $6.76, truly greatest 7.23, exceptionally least 6.29, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie Endlessness Cost Forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $6.70, really greatest 7.17, kind of least 6.23, or so they fundamentally thought. Axie Endlessness Gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $6.72, kind of greatest 7.19, least 6.25 in a significant way. USD to Axie conversion scale truly equivalent to 0.1330 coins per $1 in a really significant manner. Today, S reach 0.1311 minus 0.1339, which sort of is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.1311, so Axie Endlessness Cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.35, sort of greatest 7.86, lovely least 6.84, or so they essentially thought. Change for now plus 0.0019, plus 1.45% in an extremely significant way. USD to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which sort of is very critical. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.131 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.141, fundamentally least 0.122, showing how USD to Axie conversion scale especially equivalent to 0.1330 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 0.136 coins, really greatest 0.146, in every practical sense, least 0.127 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie vastness conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 0.138 coins, really greatest 0.148, truly least 0.129 in a significant way. USD to Axie forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.137 coins, especially most extreme 0.148, exceptionally least 0.128 in a really significant way. In multi-week dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.137 coins, really most extreme 0.147, truly least 0.128, or so they in every practical sense thought. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.134 coins, truly greatest 0.145, least 0.126, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 0.138 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.148, kind of least 0.129 in every way that really matters, enormous way. USD to Axie forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 0.135 coins, genuinely greatest 0.146, especially least 0.126, exhibiting how in 3 weeks Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $6.21, extremely greatest 6.64, by and large least 5.78. Dollar to Axie vastness gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.136 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 0.146, truly least 0.127. So Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 7.